What's going on, you guys? It's George. Welcome back to my channel. Or welcome to my channel. Today we are trying out new sunglasses from a company that I never heard of, but I'm excited to explore. This is a company called VANLINKER, and they're an Amazon company. Their store is primarily on Amazon. And luckily they actually reached out to me to try out their sunglasses. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell. I would love your company. But if you're not new, then you know that I love sunglasses. I collect sunglasses, whether they're affordable, trendy, fast fashion glasses, or luxury glasses. Actually, my current obsession is 𝗀𝗄𝗄𝗅 glasses, especially the collection she did with Kim Kardashian West. I have a nice little collection, not gonna lie. So today, this is definitely something new for me. I'm very excited to give these a go, and we're going to unbox these glasses together. And honestly, I have no idea what they sent my way, so we're going to have fun with this, guys. Keep on watching. VANLINKER. That is definitely a name for the books, you guys. I'm gonna list all this store's information in the description down below if you want to check them out for yourself. This video is not sponsored, I'm not an affiliate, and this is not a paid promotion. Basically, this company just wanted me to try out their glasses, and I said yes, why not? You never turn on glasses, guys, unless they're like, you know, ugly ones. But on their sites, I have to say they have some pretty unique and modern and fun glasses. They also sell goggles and like blue light deflecting glasses. That's what I'm looking for. Why can't I say the word blue? I already kind of opened up the package because I didn't know what this was, but I did not open up the glasses themselves. So here we go. All right, that is cute. So these are cardboard little cases. As you can see, VANLINKER, and that's like their logo. It looks like a fox to me. I did try to find out more information about this company on their Amazon page, but there really is not much information listed on there about like them. So I also will list their Instagram down below as well if you want to check them out for yourself. And they do actually have a lot of different glasses already posted on their page, as well as like people wearing the glasses, so you can kind of get a feel for like what they look like. VANLINKER actually describes their brand as high quality, street stylish glasses. Love that. It's a great way to describe your brand, right? I'm sold. So let's go ahead, open these up. I mean, box, guys, presentation wise, pretty sick. I like the matte finish color and their little logo right there, but it's pretty simple. It's very minimal, which I appreciate. It's never a bad thing. Unless like, you know, you want it to be extra. Okay, that is open. And there's the glasses, and I'm assuming this is like a little pouch. And yeah, this is like a little carrying case, as well as looks like there's a cloth. This feels very soft. I'm not sure if this is like a suede, but that's what the material kind of feels like, a suede. Maybe just like a very unique form of cotton. I don't know, but again, we have the logo right there and their name. Little sunglass cleaner. And here we go with the actual glasses. And they do come in a protected little plastic case. Oh, okay. I have no idea which pair this is, so I'm very excited. Alright, take that off. And are you ready, guys? I don't know if I'm ready. Let's get these off. Let's get these off. Hurry up. Whoa! Alright. These are very unique, and I have to say, they don't feel like a cheap pair of glasses by any means. They look really like, they look expensive, I'm not gonna lie. But this is super unique. Like, this kind of reminds me of like a spring on the edge right here, if you can see that. And it kind of just like, it's a really brushed, dark silver finish. And yeah, let's stop talking and give them a go. Who is he? These are sick. All right. These are unique, guys. I love this. I've never seen like expensive looking glasses with the details like this. It's pretty sick. I don't know the name of this pair, so let me actually see if I could find them on their website. But wow, let me tell you, as far as like even like looking out of them, I don't know if these are UV protected glasses, but they definitely have like a nice tint to them. So I have a little bit of lighting going on here, guys, as you can probably see in the reflection. And I must say, like, it's definitely like giving me shade. VanLinker has the name for these glasses listed as round, trendy, metal polarized sunglasses for men, UV protection, reflective lens, spring, leg vapor. Whew. That's the name. That is a rather long name, but that's what they're called, guys. And these are in the color silver frame, gray lenses, color C3, if that matters. But these actually go for $16.99. That is super freaking cheap, you guys. I'm not joking, like, when I say, like, they don't feel cheap. These glasses definitely block out the sun very nicely, very nicely. They fit great. I'm a little, like, even, like, slippery right now because it's hot as hell out. And they're not, like, sliding down my face. The fit just feels, like, comfortable. They look a little crooked, but that might be my face, who knows. And yeah, I mean, this pair is definitely a yes for me. I'm very excited to open up the second box right here, so let's give them a go. And I'm shook about that $16.99. It's crazy. Same packaging, by the way. We're not gonna really, you know, talk about that again. But let's open this up. And it looks like the same color case and cloth. And here we go with these. These ones look a little bit bigger. All right, so the presentation is the exact same. Already, I think there's like a matte finish. Oh, okay. These are definitely giving me 𝗀𝗄𝗄𝗜𝗔 x 𝘂𝗑𝗄 vibes. And I love that they're black. Guys, black sunglasses to me, they're just like the ultimate statement piece. Like, you just look like opulent and important if you wear black sunglasses. To me, that's it. They have to be a little oversized too. They can't be extremely tiny. Just, you know, they need volume. But these are sick. All right, let's put them on. Oh my god, I'm looking in the mirror here, by the way. Like, these are unique. You know when you have like some pair of sunglasses and like it looks like they're gonna be like blocking out a lot of light, but they actually don't? These definitely are deflecting the lighting in here very nicely, and I like it. These are a very unique pair of glasses, I'm not gonna lie. They are not for everyone, but I like them. I like them a lot, actually. Now these are light, these are plastic glasses, so I mean, if I had to say like which one definitely felt more quality, obviously these, because they're metal. Plastic sunglasses, I mean, they're lightweight, but the good thing is, guys, with this brand, their glasses are so affordable. So I mean, that speaks a lot, especially because like they don't look like a cheap pair of glasses. At least in my opinion, they don't look like a pair of like $16 sunglasses. So living for that. Now these are actually called men's sunglasses, Polaroid Sport UV Protection, running, fishing, golf, driving. That can't be the name. I don't know, but that's what it's listed under as on Amazon. So, all right, but color C4, black frame, gray lenses. They don't even say like VanLinker on the frame or like glass part at all. And this is definitely plastic. I think same goes for this. The actual lens is not glass, but I mean, again, guys, they're $16.99. Both of them actually the same price. Well, this one's $16.67. Okay, so it's a little cheaper by a few cents, but I mean, you get what you pay for. Come on, let's be real. And now we have this pair of glasses. I don't even know what you want to call these, because guys, I feel like I'm in year like 2050 or something. They're just like very modern, but I like that. They definitely block out the sun pretty decently, and they do fit very securely on the face. Yeah, I'm liking these. I mean, there's really no difference between like the fit of these glasses versus the other pair. They both fit very comfortably, and I mean, again, for like the price of these glasses, it's a pretty good deal. These are definitely trendy, they're fun, they're affordable, they have very unique frames, and I have to say, like, they're statement pieces. I've not seen any glasses like this. And again, like, I love sunglasses. I have a nice collection going on. I also collect luxury sunglasses. I've checked out glasses from brands such as like Zero UV, which are very cheap ones, Urban Outfitters sunglasses, and to me, like, I have my glasses that I know are going to deflect the sun, I'm going to use for certain occasions, and then I have my trendy sunglasses where I would wear at a pool party or at a park or maybe going shopping, something like that. It's great to have a pair of sunglasses for every occasion. And these guys, I mean, I'm not disappointed. VanLinker, I'm gonna list all their information in the description down below. They're fun, they're trendy, they're cool, they're affordable. I'm sold. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have tried VanLinker sunglasses or similar sunglasses to these, sound off in the comment section down below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already, please subscribe to my channel. That'd be much appreciated. It goes a long way. Share this video and share the love. Also hit the notification bell because I upload videos weekly, multiple times a week. So you might as well follow me on this YouTube journey. And my Instagram is right here at 𝗀𝗄𝘄𝘆 if you want to follow me on there as well. But until next time, say thanks, give compliments, and think positive. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.